Khubor Pibaro Shakathub Khuborjylla ka donbosco Media Network. Mat bakong san menta ka Shillong. 1.8 women saw na krem doyong honey grims. Dawa tokit CBI kahitu halor ka jingbatay dynamite ha krem doyong. Banpoy Shakathong Smart City play Menteri Rangba ya ka parking lot. Bat kerpat ka KSU Laban Circle na Khubor Civil Hospital ban pinkelot ya kalenti. Bat mentangin pasik Khubor bakambanya. Uwe Rangba ubakerteng ubalakar deb ubalaminsaw na gajingbatay dynamite na krem doyong hagasantarik Rymphang lawan ra na East Janta Hills Sha Hospital ni Grims hakan ritarik Rymphang banyo igjing sumar ki bapaka na gajingmensaw.
I don't have that much idea, but maybe for 2-3 years, maybe something like that. I don't even know. I don't know.
Firstly, in which hospital you are?
Firstly, I be admitted in Woodland, Woodland, and through there they recommended in this Shillong Woodland, and then from Shillong Woodland we came to Nigrim because even out there they said like they need a surgeon not for surgery and all plastic surgery, and the doctors weren't available there, so we came here in Nigrim.
Can you tell us what exactly happened according to you?
Even I want to know what exactly happened. Even I know nothing. I just saw from the news. Even some of my friends they were just forwarding me that these things happen at this place, and I don't even know which place he was working at. I just came to know everything through news and through people only. I know nothing.
So now you may be knowing there was a blast in the mine.
Yes,
he was working.
Yeah, yes, I just got to know, and also by seeing the video, I got to know that kind of blast was happened in that quarry and in that that place, that area.
So after analyzing this, what is your opinion that people are working and these are happening? So what should have been the ideal situation?
I don't know what will be the ideal situation because people are working there. There are many people are working there for the family, for their own needs. They need employment. So out there they don't have any employment, right? So that's the only thing where illiterate people they work and earn properly, so that they can send their children in a good school, so that they won't have to do such things, which is very very risky without any proper safety things. So they are still working there. So I don't know, I don't have any kind of what do I say, like, because people are working there. I know nothing. It's just that they should just be there should some safety while doing all this work and all, but nothing.
So since when you knew him that he worked in that quarry?
The thing is that I just got to know today itself. I was wondering that he might have been working in other places, and just today itself I got to know that he worked in that place where I don't even know which place is it and where does it even falls.
So how is the condition now?
His condition might be a bit critical, which is why he's in ICU right now. If I heard, like, if the doctor was telling us earlier that he might have to shift in a good private hospital, maybe because there is a chances of getting infection and all. So, but because today we have been already to three hospitals, and then right now we just said, like, whatever, even if there is chances to be in ICU, let him be in ICU for now, and then after 2-3 days, if it's okay, then we might take him to other hospital, private hospital, where we can treat. Even here also they are treating well, I guess, but then the thing, we just wanted to be him a bit safe, like in a good hospital and all, even because out here right now there are a lot of people are coming, the same condition people.
So there are attendants.
Da kajingkindit bat jingher serniu ya kajingbatay dynamite hakrem doyong kabila jaha kasantarik Rymphang haminsnga thangso East Janta Hills District kabila shim hadu khat prangut kiminsim brio. Kahnyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization kahito hakan riutarik Rymphang kalakerpat da kajingtho yulat Khuborjylla CH Vijay Shankar banpan ya report na Sorkar Jylla bat Sorkar India hakanu karukam bagajingti doyong bean kadang yai beteng ha Meghalaya haba ke National Green Tribunal NGT kalakhang nadu kasnem arhajar khatsa kani ka kambean kalayalam shakajingyap hadu khat prangut kimensim brio haba kren chikila pathai Khubor uba donbok dekar president kahito loong nakaliang kaseng Lembat na kinong shnong ke Jylla, kamdei syuk ke badang pela bantip bakadon ke jingti dewyong bean ha Meghalaya. Kejingwan jong ke hitu syaulat ke Jylla kalong bandawa na ke Sarkar India ban IT sya ke Central Bureau of Investigation CBI ban tokit benyak halor kini ke jingja ke balabam haduk kat perangut ki mensim beriu na kini ke jingti dewyong bean ha East Janta Hills District. Kinoyalam ki hitu kila kerpat yaulat ban penbenar perthai ye ki beriu ki badon keti ha kini ke kambean besyarkai. Kinoyalam ke hitu kila penpauru ye ke jing artatin ya kitu ki beriu ki beledu ya ke jing im na kini ke jingja ki dei shisha ki nong shnong kari India ni ki dei ki balawan ne ki weipat kiri ban bela ha kini ke district. Kiloong ba ke jing penbenar ke Sarkar India ban siu bailut kesan ye ke jing yap jong kinong bela ke de benlong hadin belawat sani bah ya kita kinong bela la kilong kibriu na India ni na Bangladesh.
I wan bu ya kanika memorandum halor ke subjek kanika bandawa mardor na ka sarkar pedeng ban pembet ya jing klik jong ki nong yalam seng berthai bad ha kanika jingti doyong be anya po East Janta Hills ka baja hapo minsngat thangso East Janta Hills ka baja menin bad hadin katuka ni iling ba kilat Pathai Khubor bat kat kumki press release bat kumki ni report bala ai naka liang ke police department nak sarkar bagi la don ki bayap hadu khat prangut bat ki badang hadu menta ka jingwat ye kita ki sakut sapok ka ka krem doyong te nakaliang ko jongi ngi la i ba kane ka kamdei ka basong phala yangi kumki nong song jong ka Jylla hi brok ko wei ba kadon kata ka jingti be anyu ta u doyong hapok ke Jylla ko jungi takai ka bangi songkya pat kawai kaliang hakane bangi bu kane ka dorkas hakmat jong u lat ke Jylla ban pha ye kata ka recommendation chaka ministry ban pha ye kata ka Central Investigation ban lap je kita ki connections jong ka mafia bat sakawai ru ni na kaliang ko jongi ha ka be dei ba ka jing pemena jong ka sarkar kami ba ka sarkar Jylla halo kini ke ex kresya la ne man pemena ye kata ka pisa sya kitu kilanot kawai na kaliang ko jongi ni kwa ban ni dap ka basungsi bat ni kwa ban kentu ye ka sarkar shwa ban pemena ginu kini ki ex kresya namar ba ngimtip kitu ki badon hang tu kidai ki jaj benrio ki ba kumno lada kidai ki nong song jong kari India ne kimdai namar pilai na bonsen hi hakum kini ki apot kidai be ki breu ki bamdai kita ki kidai ki suspected Bangladesh dan kita ki bamdai kita ki illegal immigrant ki bau suwan hang ne te namba baling ngai ha ban kran kumta namar kadai hi ka pisa jong pai ba kadai ka pisa jongi ki nong song jong ka Jylla jong ka Meghalaya te hot kum prabreu ngidon hi kita kamen sem banirap hendrei ngi dei pat ban bisar kat kum ka ritis sar jong ka ri India kat kum ka constitution ba yano badai hok ban ai bat yano badai bam yano bad ye kita ki bam dei ban ai te halor ka jing bamla ka sarkar ban ai kata ka kai pot ka bapura bas kat nongut ki basakot kat ngongut kita ki badai nangno bat nangno namar bangim don ye kita ki mechanism ki babiang bani ye kata ko kumbangi ong yana kopor ba hangni ngim don ka ILP ngimtip kita ki work kita ki migrants ki bawan bela hangni banjin bangi don kata ka mechanism ka babiang ka bumut hadu mentangi la da la ban identify la dei ta udei u dei na ka Jylla jungi ne udei namar Jylla ne udei ne ri Bangladesh ne kala don be ka data te hangni ka feel namar ba kani ka sarkar kamla bante lakam pat ngi allege bit direct ba kadai ka jing aimon ka sarkar pat kadai ka sarkar hi ba penslor namar upai ba hi ong ba ka sarkar yong i tu le ka ngai ngin le ya kata ka sarkar kat bomon namar udai uta u sarkar jungi tingin yeti ngin le ka bomon par kai ka bala je hang tu ngila itu hi
Hakan Rymphang Rymphang Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Samla ulepli patba ia ka multi level parking lot hasinda ke additional secretariat kum ka wei ni ki thong ban kentiu ya ka nongba Shillong sha ka kerdan smart city ka balait na ka dhengkali bat ka badon ki jaka yengkali ki babiang bat ki bakelot ya kini ka multi level parking lot lashna ha ka jinglot ka blakot shakan riu point san klur tingka bat la ban yengkali hadu riu phau telitam ha ka jing kren play kini ka parking lot Menteri Rangba uloong bakamlong ka besuk banweng ye ka jing ka bami na ka dhengkali namar ki kali kinang mi bon man kasngi kat ba ki surok kine ba ki sa kumju Lakat tahu loong kesorkar kan yai persyang bat kan yai wa dikilat kelinti ban pensting ye kipai ba nekeni kejing da kaba penbha ye kijaka ban yeng kali hakilat bat kidong jong keni kanong ba. Ya minta kumne keni ke parking lot bathamai kan pensting ya kejing kapnya ha additional secretariat. Ulakular bandang yai wa ikijaka ki balat ban pelong jaka yeng kali ha kerukom kababet barenti. Kumban pen kenmau kesorkar kelekentui ki beriu shimet ki badan ki jaka ki ban pelong jaka yeng kali bat kesorkar kan yerap Beijing lut na kebenta kani kejing temu.
Reduce the cars, we can't simply just expand the road. So we have to work within a limited constraint, conditions, whatever the different aspects are there within the city which are limited in nature. And therefore all these challenges came in front of us. So a multi-pronged strategy was developed to slowly and steadily decongest the city. Of course, first aspect was to figure out what really is the problem. Again, I repeat myself and I always tell people this issue and this thought process, which is very important for especially people like me who have to work with governance and resolving problems, and of course the whole team, is that we always look at a problem, we look at what's happening and we think that the reason why it's happening is because there's too much of traffic. But we don't realize that traffic is the outcome or the result of the problems. So what is important for us is to figure out what those problems are that leads to traffic. And hence a lot of things were looked into. I don't want to go into detail and bore you with all those long-term plans we had and discussions we had. But what we're seeing today is just one of the pieces of the solution. And therefore we have a very, very long way to go. But what I'm trying to tell you is that we have a plan. There's a master plan, there's a much broader thought process, and it's not just this one parking lot. There are about 9 or 10 of them, close to about 1,371, if I'm not wrong, parking spaces for vehicles will be created. And apart from that, of course, we have also created parking in terms of a parking policy where any individual who has land and wishes to partner with the government will support and fund them and let them collect parking amounts from that land of theirs with government investment, and government will get a small share. So multiple aspects of parking are being looked into because we realized that one of the first problems is that people park randomly. People park in places where the flow of the traffic is stopped. And if you tell the people that you can't park, you cannot, and we charge them or we fine them, then the first question they will ask, well, where do we park then? So therefore, all of these are connected. Now that we have spaces for parking, the enforcement of ensuring that people cannot park in certain areas can be enforced. Police, and especially traffic, will have to do their role to ensure that the enforcement is done. Otherwise, this will make no sense. We'll collect dust. So therefore, it's a process which is started.
Kinoyalam kaseng ki Samla puli Khasi Students Union KSU Laban Circle ha kajingalam jong usamla Jason Lalu President kila kerpat ni Khubor jong Civil Hospital ha kajingpet jingkmi jong Surgeon Superintendent SS banbo ik security guard banpet ya kalinti yat beriu hakmat jong ni ka hospital kabalat na kajingalum limbung jong ki beriu ki babo kajingwet ya ki pat ba ki biyat linti na kani ka surak. Kidukot jong ke KSU ki leit huru bahagni ke jaka ki donbon ki beriu ki basyong thatlat ki bapenthut ya kalit kawan jong ki pat ba kamtam haba ki labuat. Kila kerpat ru ki bor jong ke Civil Hospital benum ailat ki beriu banyelum limbung hakmat jong ni ka hospital. Kinoyalam ke KSU kila wa ru ya ke jingmana benum di duma biri ne secret haki atat jong ke Civil Hospital.
Khasinews Union Laban Circle mutasi kala iyo bani kendu I Surgeon Superintendent di halor ka ni kamat ka bakam longkong san ka jing shong sup shong san kini ki nong shong shong jaka laban hi bro kawai haba ni barobor kini ki samla ki ba wan shim ban detox wan shim kini ki dawai hadian badap ban shim kini ki dawai ban detox la pelong ya ka ni ka footpath hani ha civil hostel kum koi ki jaka songkai di kum chong nak liang ka laban circle hot ki bun stem bun banang la yo ka jing complain ka jing ujor ka ba pero ni ki long song snong jong ka laban circle di kumun chong hoi nak liang ka sarkar ka tanat badi pej kala persyang bat kila la ban kendra ya kini ki pardok prosnam jongi ba ki bebut kan ni football ba kila yo ban kendra showai di hadian kata ru ni nang jisang kumun chong ni nang mut ba kan duna kata ka jingsong jong kini ki kena nomor bro syata ki ai daw ba ki wan ban bamja ki wan ban thit jing thit te hadian kat ini benai beladab ru ni bagi kena kinang bun ban wan chong ki bun ban wan di ting mo chong hakmat ki pajba ting kia khle kenja kia khle ki di duma ki di kenja kalong ki ba pun sajmet bat ru nakaliang jong ki pajba besong hapo laban kila komplain sibun kumba ki syaluti nak kapor dang men hakini ki kendiat tayo beladab iwei I rangba ibalaya nang ni ban chuang ba ka wei kan thei brio bat katuka dingot ki samna ki ba don rekat bat ka kila bat I bat kila ong ba lada kila persyang bandawa bat lada imai ki ong ba kin hala ba I le kam kumi kumtai ya ka kan thei brio tin nakaliang jong I bopli ila syaptiang bat ila ai ka I ka badon mai bat kumbon chong hadian biwan hadian kata apa iwan kendu ya ki nongelam yang kalaban circle ka susi bat kalong ba utu romba buri uri ni ki pa jong kini kena I bon sim dawai hang ni te kumbon chong pat ting hapring jong ki ru le se hot ki don ki badon sya kata ka jing thmu ka ba ki kwa sya ban kala bat ki don pat ki samla ki ba wan sim kabu ya kani ka jaka ban pelong kum ka jaka khai lani ka jaka ya kendu ban yo ban ya peliu le ne ban subut kumnu ban pen ban khayo ni u drugs kelenga sor Shillong brokawai te na kaliang ka seng hi kumun chiong kani ka sngi ngi wan da linti pa jejai bat ngi wan kendu ya superintendent ban kapat I ba in hoi na kaliang jong I ban chim kya ban ong I kini ki na samla ki ba wan sim ya ki ni ki dawai ba hadian ba ki dab sim ni dawai ki mde ban chong ka chu ki ni ki football ade ham tam le hunu mot kyang nong ba wa kham long kendong kadi ka jaka ka jong
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ha ka jingalam jong Sanjay Das General Secretary kalapin pau ka jing sngusi ka bakraw halor ka jingdu a khat prangut ki mensim brio na ka jing bthai dynamite ha krem dew yong ha minsngat thangso ka balaja ha ka santarik Rymphang lekenno bakani ka jing yap brio kami na kajing bam trekam Khubor jong ka sarkar bante lakam ya kajing ti dew yong bean wat lada ke NGT baka Supreme Court kala khang bat mana banti dew yong park 9 na du kasnem arjar khatsaw kinoyalam ke MPCC kila ongru baka Meghalaya High Court bat ka category committee ru kila dep mana bat kentui ke sarkar Meghalaya ban pensangye no mardor ya kajing ti dew yong park 9 penban ke sarkar Meghalaya kala Highland det ya kaling kedong kabalay lam syaga jingdu a kap prangut ki mensim brio kinoyalam ke MPCC kila keno ya ke sarkar Jylla man kapor habaja kum kini ki jingyap brio katap et miaw ya lade da ka baai ki daw ki baharukom kinoyalam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee kidawa na ke sarkar Meghalaya banten rong ke jingkit kle ha kinoyalam ke sarkar bat ha Khubor Sanchar district halor kini ke jingyap brio ban pensange bat khang mardor ya ka jingti dew yong park nai ban raikut ban pensange mardor ya ka ni ka rukom ti dew yong ban siu bai lutksan bat ban kershan ya ki ying kisem jong gitu ki balayap bat ki balamensaw bat ban penbena pat ba ya ki rai jong ki ying ka syari ki balakhang ya ka ni ka rukom ti dew yong bat ka nungut ki mensim brio ki layap nakum kini ki jingja pasngosi kinoyalam ke MPCC kilapin pau ke jing sngusi bat ke jing sngolem shabaro kilong ying ki beladu no ya ki bait bathon bat ki belangat ha ke jing mensaw na ke ni ke jingja pasngau syirkai. Kipat ba ke Meghalaya, kidawa bat ki kemilinti na ke sorkar Jylla, bahkan long ke bedap da ke mensim briu, bat ke babat ialah ke kular bat juban lak, ke bebek thong tang ha ke kur pisah. Kejingile kai Fort North East Kickboxing ke bedang syudap syen hau kelalengkot arjar arpun riu, ke belong ha ke arp kendai terik aduk lai pui terik kelalengkot. Bala shiminta de kinongile kai nakeling ki Jylla jong ke North East berok kawai, ke lalong ke besyong shit, bat ke besiso haduk kata-kata. Legit sangut kinongile kai na Meghalaya, ki bala yo ia kita kemaksiat, ban shiminta ha ke jingekop Asian Pacific Open Kickboxing International Championship arjar arpun riu ke Banlong Habali Indonesia ha ke arpu sau terik hadu arpu pra terik Rymphang. Kini kisan ngut ke belah syajit kilong nadu ishpos nem kerta syaning bat kini kun hala ke jong ke kerdan nilek kai. Ha ke arpu sau terik Rymphang kendon ke jingtau ya ke jingkia bat ki medical check up bat ya ke jingilek kai sedang ha ke arpu san terik Rymphang ha ke porkat arba jimin sengi. Kino yalam kidang wat jingkersyan nak sorkar Meghalaya nak kebenta kini kejing temu.
Nyuan yang hangne dang sudah ya kaneka Fort North East Kickboxing Championship mentau dia naik bala dak hi aku ndai lai ko bala fui kalong ka job long successful ha kiwana kaleng ka state nyong North East baro fui te hak te kasni hi ngila yo ban jit katto kane ki khna na ko Jylla Meghalaya ke jungiru ki bala job hak te kasni ki ba yo gold medals ngila yo ban jit ki khna Andrew sangut ki khna man like represent ya kane ka Jylla jungi ba kari India hi shapo kane ka ngin le kai shapo kane ka Asia Pacific Open International Kickboxing Championship kabanlong hapo Indonesia hapo Bali nadu ka arpo Southrik hadu arpo Pratrik mentau nai hang hapo Khuborjylla Hotel Resort hapo Khuborjylla Hotel Resort hapo Bali Indonesia di niyo masalah ikini dikena di jongi bandai person yang mereka Jylla Meghalaya dari kari India hi barokoi kidon sangut kita nak jong ka age group baka kategori hangne gidon ka emigrate nong sub shipos nem sub junior semi contact aku RPG kategori nanta ka ozanika nong sub khat ars nem sub junior semi contact light pro KG kategori baka ban shailing grace masharing khat south nem sub junior semi contact 45 kg kategori nantai Biona Kharmujai khandai snem senior full contact 47 kg kategori but imewan pendap marpan khandau snem
Bat dakini ki Khubor ngila poi syaka bakut tak hadu pengine syembiang kublai shibon.